Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is top 30 best Windows 11 tips and tricks. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Sign in with the local account. Well, if you are concerned about your privacy and you do not want Microsoft to collect your data, you can sign in with the local account. To do so, first of all, go to your settings. For that, just press Windows plus I key. And after that, go to your account section and from here click on your info. Here under the account settings section, it says local account. And here it says sign in with the Microsoft account instead. It means I'm already signed in with the local account. In your case, when you will be signed in with your Microsoft account, you will see an option in here that will say sign in with the local account. So just come here, sign in with the local account and have the privacy of your data. Number 2. Turn off notifications. If you get a lot of system notifications, you can turn them off. And doing this will improve the system performance, and secondly, you will not get annoyed by those notifications. So for that, open your setting and in that, under the system section, go to your notifications. And from here, just disable this option. And now you will not have any notification into your system. In some case, if you still want to have some notifications, turn this option on, and from here you can customize this one. That was all about notification, and let's move ahead. Number 3. Disable the advertisements. If you see promotions and advertisements popping up now and then on your system, you can disable these annoying advertisements in Windows 11. These ads can appear in the start menu, search results, suggested content in the settings app, etc. To disable your advertisements, obviously open your settings and then go to your privacy and security option, which is second last. After that, under the Windows permission section, scroll down and click on General, and from here you have these options which you can turn off. It says let app show me personalized ad by using my advertising ID, and then you have different other things that are related to advertisement into your Windows 11. So turn all these options off and now you will not have any advertisement into your Windows 11. Number 4. Default apps. We can have more than one application for one type of task. For example, we can have a VLC media player and Windows Media Player for audio and video files, and we can set one of them as default. So obviously open your setting and then go to your app section. In here we have an option that says default apps. Just click on it and here we have different apps that are by default into our system working. For example, if I scroll down, here I have my Google Chrome. If you just click on it, here we have different type of extension. For example, for .htm, .html, .pdf, .sshtml, the Microsoft Edge is a default web browser. Let's say I want Google Chrome to be a default web browser for .pdf extensions. To do so, just click on this section and from here just click on Google Chrome and click on OK. And here you can see that for .pdf extensions, Google Chrome is the default web browser. So this is how you can change your default browser, and if I go back, here we have different other applications that we can change. Number 5. Sync the clipboard across the devices. Now we have the clipboard in almost every device and operating system. The good news is we can synchronize all of our clipboards with each other. But we need to make sure that we have the same account on all the devices, because only then we will be able to synchronize the clipboards. To do so, open your setting and in the system section, if you scroll down, here it will give you an option of clipboard. Here it is. Just click on it And from here, click on Sync across your devices. It says paste text from your PC to supported devices. So just click on it and synchronize your clipboard across different devices. But obviously you have to have same account in every device. Number 6. Change the power mode. As system performance has a lot to do with power consumption, some people prefer to have better system performance and some prefer to go with better battery performance. Well, we can have different power mode in Windows 11. To select a particular power mode, open your setting and in the system section, if you scroll down, you will have an option that says power and battery. And here we have different power modes at the moment. My system is optimized for best performance. It means I'm not worrying about battery consumption because I want best performance out of my system. But if I go with best power efficiency, now my system will look to save power and it will compromise a little bit on the performance. But if I go with balance, it will find out a middle way between having best performance and best power efficiency. So select the power mode as per your liking and enjoy Windows 11. Number 7. Customized Quick Access Panel. So this is our Quick Access Panel. If I just click on it, from here if I right click here, it says Edit Quick Setting. Just click on it and from here you can add some of the things, and if you want to do some settings, click on this setting gear. It will allow you to have your settings open and you can tweak it as per your liking. I will right click here, I will click on Add Quick Settings, I will click on Add, and these are different things that I can add to my Quick Access Panel. Number 8. Multiple Desktops. Well, multiple desktop was a phenomena related to Linux distribution, but now we are seeing it in Windows as well. We can have multiple desktops, and on each desktop we can open multiple things. The benefit of having multiple desktop is that we can open related applications on one desktop and do different work on another desktop. This will help us keep our focus on one work at a time. If you hover over to this icon at your taskbar, here you can see I have already opened 2 of my desktops. In one of them I have my settings opened and in second one I have nothing. So if I click on second one, here you can see it is clean. It means I can open different type of application related to one work and I can open different type of application in first desktop. In case if you want to have more than one, just keep clicking on this plus icon and it will keep on adding different desktops into your Windows 11. And in case if you want to rename this one, just double click on it and from here you can rename it and you can name it anything. And that's a really good thing in terms of productivity, that you can keep focus while working on one type of work. Number 9. Sound modes. Now we get extra control over our audio output in Windows 11, including mono audio and enhanced audio modes. To use these audio mode, obviously open your settings and in the system section, go to your sounds. Here it is. After that, here we have an option that says mono audio, and it says it will combine left and right audio channels into one. So just enable this option, and if you click on your speakers, scroll down, and here it says enhanced audio. It means it will automatically improve the sound quality. I have already turned this on. So enable these 2 options and have best audio experience in your Windows 11. Number 10. Reset the network. Sometimes when we install some drivers and application onto our system, it affects our network settings and our internet starts to perform slow. We can reset our network with just a few clicks to eliminate this problem. This trick will remove and reinstall all network adapters on your computer, and it will set most other networking components back to their original settings. So make sure if you really want to do this. To do so, open your settings and in that click on Network and Internet section. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Here we have an option that says Network Reset. Just click here and click on Reset Now. but make sure, because it says this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters. So be sure about it and only do this one if you are really sure about this. Number 11. Enable HDR. Now we have a feature named HDR. This is an excellent feature for devices with HDR displays. It offers a great display with maximum resolution on your HDR supported display devices. To enable this beautiful feature, open your settings and under the system section, first option is display. Just click on it and here we have HDR. Again click on it and from here enable this beautiful feature and then it will display all of your streaming into the HDR with maximum resolution. Number 12. Default location. As we get a lot of information, notifications and results in our system based on our location, same in Windows 11 happens that we get location, weather services on the basis of our current location. We can change the default location in Windows 11 and the data based on that particular location. To change your location, open your settings and then go to your privacy and security. From here, scroll down and go to your location section and then click on default location. Here it is, I will just click on it. So from here, select any particular location that you want to set in your Windows 11 and then you will have all the data based on that location. Number 13. Autocorrect. We all loved Microsoft Word because of the features it offers. One of them is autocorrect, because it saves a lot of our time and eventually improves our typing and the content. We can do the same in Windows 11 operating system. To do so, open your setting and then go to your time and language section. From here, go to your typing and here we have an option or feature that says autocorrect misspelled word. I have already enabled this one, so just enable it. And now whenever you will type in your Windows 11, it will autocorrect all of your misspelled words. Number 14. Personalized widgets. So I will open my widgets, which is this one. So here you can see we have different widgets and if you click on this more options button, from here you can change the size, you can customize this widget. So I will just click on customize. Here I can change the location as it says detect my location and then I can change the units for my output. At the moment it is in Fahrenheit, you can go with the Celsius. Same goes for other widgets. You can customize them, you can remove them and you can have many other options. In case if you want to add some more widgets, just click on this button that says add widgets. From here we have different widgets that we can add. I'll go with the entertainment. So I will just click on this plus button and this widget have been added successfully. Here you can see we have entertainment widget and in case if you want to remove it, just click on this more option button and from here remove your widget. Number 15. Snap layout. Windows 11 have brought a lot of surprises in terms of the interface. Snap layout is one of them. If you hover your mouse over the maximize button onto your Windows 11, it will give you many options for the multitasking view. Select anyone as per your liking. Well, to make this feature work, I have to open some of the applications. So I will open my File Explorer, my Microsoft Edge, and now if I hover over to maximize button, here you can see I have 4 options. The first one will divide the screen in half with 2 applications and then with the second option, your application will have a majority of the screen on the left and other application will take the rest. Then you have 3 applications option, then you have 4. If I go with 3 applications option and make sure where you want your File Explorer to be because it can be in any of these 3 places. I want it to be on the left side of my screen. So just click here. And here click on Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge will appear here and obviously settings will appear here. And as you can see that now you can work on all of these 3 simultaneously and obviously it will improve your productivity. Number 16. Teams. Now Microsoft Teams has been added by default in Windows 11. We also have a new feature called Chat and it is from Microsoft. and you can start using it directly by searching it into your system. Here we have an icon for chat. Just click on it. Here you will have all those connections that you will have in your Microsoft Teams. But now you can directly start chatting with your those account. And in case if you are looking for Microsoft Teams, just click on search button and type here Teams. And here it is. Now you do not need to download and install Microsoft Teams separately. Number 17. Focus Assist. Well, now we have a really beautiful feature with the name of Focus Assist. Basically, focus sessions in your Windows 11 encourages you to set aside some of your time for your work that requires you to have uninterrupted and your deep focus. It is currently available in the new Alarms and Clock app. So I will just search for my Clock app. Here it is. I will just open it. And in here, the first option is Focus Sessions. The minimum time you can set is 15 minutes. But if you go over 45 minutes, it will allow you to have 5 minutes break between the midway of your session. But in case if you want to skip this one, just click on the skip breaks, and now you will not have any breaks and you can keep working straight for 45 minutes. That's a really good and a really powerful feature. Number 18. Compact View. Well, when you open your File Explorer in Windows 11, there is a lot of spacing between the repositories on the left side. Some people do not like this in terms of the user interface and usability of the system. We can reduce the spacing between these repositories a little bit. To do so, let me maximize this screen. From here, click on this View option, and here it says Compact View. Just click on it, and now you can see we have somehow similar repositories and similar spacing between these repositories, just like the one in Windows 10. So you can have your compact view of your File Explorer. Number 19. Open legacy menus. We love the Windows 10 menus, especially in the File Explorer. In Windows 11, we do not have the same menus upon right-clicking on any file. Even to copy or paste some files, we have the icons now. To use the legacy menus of Windows 10 or use the more options for your files, right-click on any of those and then click on More Options. As you can see, we do not have copy or paste label. We need to click on this copy icon and then we will be able to copy it, and in case if you want to paste it, you will have another icon here. If you click on this Show More Options, here you can see you have all those legacy menus like the one in Windows 10, and obviously now we have more options. Click on Show More Option and enjoy those legacy menus. Number 20. Get Windows 10 Content Menu. Well, I have just shown you that how you can have your legacy menus, but what if you can make those legacy menus permanent? Well, I have a solution for you. These are some of the commands that you need for this purpose. Do not worry, I have added these commands into the description of this video as well. After that, make sure to save this file with an extension of reg, because we want to run this file. I have already done that, so just double click on this file and run this one, and after that make sure to restart your PC, and obviously it will take effect into your system and you will have those legacy menus permanently into your Windows 11. Number 21. Themes. Well, now in Windows 11 we have a lot of themes. So I will just open my settings, and after that I will just search for themes here. Here it says themes and related setting. Just click here, and here we have 6 themes available. You can select anyone as per your liking. This is the default one. I'll go with this one now. And if you scroll down, here it says contrast themes. Just click here. You can have different contrast with your newly selected theme. I'll click on this none button. I'll go with the aquatic again. Click on apply, and after some time the change will take effect. So come here and select different themes into your Windows 11 and enjoy a different experience. I'll go back with the default settings and then we will continue. Number 22. Optional features. Well, now we have a lot of optional features that are not enabled by default. we can enable them and we can have more optimal performance from the Windows 11. To enable those features, just press Windows R and right here, optional features, and just hit enter. It will open a small window into your desktop, and here we have different optional features that we can enable and can use. For example, simple TCP IP is not enabled. So just click on this checkbox, scroll down and click on all those features that you want to have in your Windows 11. After you are done selecting all of those, you just need to click on OK and you will have all of those optional features. Number 23. Enable auto punctuation. If you type a lot and you are tired of it, we have a new feature that adds the punctuation on its own when you use the voice typing with auto punctuation feature in Windows 11. This feature converts your speaking into writing on its own, and with the punctuation feature on, it will add all the necessary punctuations. To enable this feature, just press Windows plus H key. So here it is enabled, and now if you speak anything, it will convert all of that into your writing. And now if I stop it, and now I will go to my settings and I will click on auto punctuations. And now if I start speaking again and if I ask a question, it will add the question mark at the end on its own. So let's see if it works or not. So I will just click on it. How are you and what is your name? And here you can see it has already added the punctuation on its own. And that's a really cool and a really great feature of Windows 11 with auto punctuation. Number 24. Shake to minimize. This handy feature from Windows 10 is disabled by default on Windows 11. You can enable it from your settings. So I will open my settings, and after that, under the system section, if you scroll down, you will have an option that says multitasking. Here it is, just click on it, and from here it says title bar Windows shake. It is on at the moment. I'll show you that how this works. I will open my settings, I will open my file explorer. Now you see that we have two applications open at the moment. I will take settings and I will shake it, and it will minimize everything else in my Windows 11. And now I only have my settings opened, or you can say maximized, in my desktop. That's a really cool and really fun feature that you can enjoy, and obviously it also offers you to have more productivity and usability. Number 25. Windows Terminal. Now we have a terminal in Windows 11, and its interface is just like a browser where we can have multiple tabs of our terminal. So I will just search for it. Here it is, Windows Terminal. I will just click on it. Now we have many other options in it. We can directly open the PowerShell and CMD from here, and we also have most of those features that we have in any browser. So if I just click on this drop down arrow, from here I can access command prompt and I can access Windows PowerShell. Other than that, we also have the Azure Cloud Shell, which is obviously from Microsoft. If you want to have more instances, just keep clicking on this plus button and it will keep on adding. Well, as we know that in our browsers, if we right click on our tab, it gives you some option like closing the tabs, closing other tabs, and closing the tabs to the right. And we also have these options in here. We can change the color, we can rename the tab, we can duplicate it, and we can split our terminal into different sections. Number 26. Block the pop-ups. We get very annoyed with pop-ups in our browsers because it diverts our attention from something significant to something very useless or ordinary. We can get rid of this problem in Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome in Windows 11. First of all, I'll show you that how you can get rid of this problem in your Microsoft Edge. I will just search for it. Here it is. I will open it. After that, you just need to go to your settings. Here are my settings. Here, just search for pop-ups. So I will just write here pop. And if you scroll down, here we have the pop-ups and redirects. I will click on it. So I have already blocked it. And now I do not have any pop-ups in my Microsoft Edge. And now I'll show you that how you can block your pop-ups in your Google Chrome. So this is my Google Chrome. Again, I'll go to its setting. and in here again I will search for pop-ups. Here we have a section that says site setting, and in that we have pop-ups option. Again scroll down, and here at the end we have pop-ups and redirects. I have already blocked it as I have already enabled the option that says don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. You can also select this option and restrict your pop-ups into your Windows 11 into the browsers. Number 27. Taskbar Settings. There are a lot of settings that we can perform in terms of our taskbar. We can make our taskbar hidden automatically, and other than that, we have many other settings. Right click on your taskbar, click on Taskbar Setting. I will maximize this window, and here we have different options. For example, these are the things that are enabled and are added onto our taskbar. If I just click on these options, here you can see all of these are disappearing from my taskbar. I will enable all these options again, and here we have all of these back. And then you have some other option, and if you scroll down here we have taskbar corner overflow. Again we have some of the options that we can turn on and keep off. At the end we have taskbar behavior. If you scroll down, here it says taskbar alignment. At the moment it is in center. If you want to go with the old style just like the Windows 10, click on left, and now we have everything on the left side. But I will keep it in the center. Then you have an option that says automatically hide the taskbar. If you just click on this option, now you do not have your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. In case if you want to have your taskbar, just hover at the bottom of your screen and the taskbar will appear. I will uncheck this option, and then you have some other option that you can explore. Number 28. Touch keyboard. If you are using Windows 11 on a tablet or somehow your laptop's keyboard is not working, we have a solution for you. Go to the taskbar setting as we are already into it, and in here we have an option that says touch keyboard. Enable this or turn it on and you will have virtual keyboard into your taskbar. Just click on it and a keyboard will appear onto your screen. It will work just like any other keyboard, but now you can use it with the touch or your mouse onto your laptop and onto your touchpads. Number 29. Add taskbar to all displays. When we use the extended displays with the Windows operating system, the taskbar only gets shown on the main screen, but we can make it appear on the all displays attached to our computer or laptop. Now again right click on your screen, click on Taskbar Settings, and if you scroll down into the taskbar behavior, again scroll down, here we have an option that says show my taskbar on all displays. Well, I do not have any added monitor or any added display with my laptop, that is why I'm not having this option. But when you will have added screens, you will have this option, and by enabling it, you will have your taskbar displayed on all the displays with your laptop. Number 30. Pin favorite folders to start menu. We all like to use shortcuts and ways to access our favorite things quickly. And we can pin our favorite folders to the start menu and access them with a single click. Again open your settings, and after that go to your personalization. Then go to your start, and after that click on your folders. So these are some of the categories, repositories and some of the folders that you can pin to your start menu. I have already added those that I wanted. You can come here, you can add different other things as per your liking. And with that we are done with all the 30 tips and tricks for your Windows 11. I hope that you must have liked this video. Please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.